Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, where are we going in the short term, in the next few weeks, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, you will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. Also, you will get personal guidance every day, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and of course hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, live trading, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's see right now Ethereum. I have squared the chart for the short term from the bottom back on 4 a.m. 24 February, the bottom of 2.3k, to the top back on the 2,968. Actually, it wasn't like that. It was 3,043. So right here, what we are seeing is that we are finding rejection on the 1-1 Ganfan line. Going back down to the 2-1 could be the case right here for Ethereum. Can we go further down right here? Yes, we could potentially in the short term. However, right now we have to see many more support levels and many more tools right there. So we are going first to see the risk metrics. And the fact that we are having the oversold situation, the commodity channel index is good. However, right now with Ethereum, we are seeing a lower low, lower high pattern probably on the RSI. Now that we fell down from this bottom trend line, we might be going further down until we meet the below 30s again. Alright, so for the short term, Ethereum is going probably to decrease more into the next support levels that we are seeing after we go to Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. We will talk about the next few days to next few weeks as well for Ethereum, which they are pretty bullish, and I will explain why. But let's go to Ethereum against Bitcoin chart right now. Here we are having the weekly bearish RSI divergence that it keeps getting on our nerves right there. We do not see Ethereum against Bitcoin pumping up, and we see it on minus 5% in this week right here. We are finding rejection on the 20-day MA. Things are not looking good for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, and we might be getting a little bit further down. Now we are approaching the weekly below the minus 100, but we can fall down further and we can lose some important support levels. This weekly bearish RSI divergence is a huge pattern right here. On a monthly scale, if I had to go onto the monthly scale right now for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, what I would see as well is a monthly bearish RSI divergence. Okay, higher highs and lower highs in the monthly RSI, so therefore it is logical for Ethereum against Bitcoin to break down and not to be able to cooperate so much, and of course it will just keep going a little bit down with some lower highs and lower lows. Let's see Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin on the other hand is very good, and of course Bitcoin will drag Ethereum even higher. Ethereum will be Ethereum will be one of the reasons that Ethereum will pump actually is because of Bitcoin. Okay, and Bitcoin right now, you can see that we are having a little bit of a correction. We might be correcting down to the 40,000 Tether USD right here. Okay, it is a very strong support level. Also, if we draw the Fibonacci from this bottom right here to this top, you can see that the 40,000 is as well the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. So yes, we could eventually be seeing a little bit of a more lower low, lower high pattern, especially if we lose the 50-day exponential moving average and the 41.1k right here. Do we have to worry about the recent price action of Bitcoin? Not at all. I do believe that on the daily frame and in the next few days, we are going to see a little bit of a higher high. We do not have an ascending triangle, because in order to have an ascending triangle, you need to pump up first. You cannot have a downtrend and form an ascending triangle. So for those who are saying that we are probably forming an ascending triangle, it is false, right? Okay, so we are going back. Can we have a triple top and we fall down all the way down to the 30,000 Tether USD? For me, it is impossible. However, falling down into the lower support levels of 36, for example, or so, it is quite possible for Bitcoin. I'm just going into Bitcoin so we can analyze what will happen with Ethereum. So Ethereum right now is finding rejection on the 1-1 Ganfan line right here, and we are probably going to go further down. What are the next support levels for the very short term? And we are going to close the video with the weekly frame. So we are going right now to the short term, and we are seeing that I'm drawing the fib from the bottom to the top. We are having the 2.673, 2.592, okay, 82, and 2.455. Can we go further down? Yes, we can go into those support levels before we can eventually be hopping back and go even further higher into the higher support levels, actually, and the higher resistance levels. Yes, we could do that. We are forming also a lower high pattern right here with Ethereum. Okay, so we are basically forming a triangle right there. Okay, so if I had to see the triangle right now, I would say that we are probably going to go further down into the 2.5k, maybe on the short term, and then we are proceeding higher and higher, probably breaking above. Okay, so right now, what else do we have? If we go on the weekly frame, Ethereum is looking totally bullish. All right, so Ethereum on the weekly frame, it is looking crazy good. 2.3k, 2.3k in all the lows right here, higher lows in the RSI, higher lows on the commodity channel index, and you can see that the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation on the weekly frame, and we have the double bottom right here, 2.3k, and we found buying pressure, so therefore this was pretty good. I feel like Ethereum is going to go higher into the 3.5k, and from there we are going to see if we can go to the 4,000 Tether USD. However, right now for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, the things are not looking good. The Ethereum will be dragged upwards mainly because of Bitcoin's price action and not because that Ethereum is ready to pump. Unfortunately, this is going to happen. We have a monthly bearish RSI divergence, and Ethereum against Bitcoin chart will be correcting more. Therefore, in just a small dump of Bitcoin, Ethereum against Bitcoin chart will just fall down more and more. Okay, but Bitcoin will be going probably to 48, 50k in this impulsive wave that we will be seeing. Ethereum will be ready to go higher into the 3.5k, but only because Bitcoin went upwards and not because Ethereum will be strong against Bitcoin chart. All right, if it was strong against Bitcoin chart, we would be going higher. You can see here the flat running pattern, higher highs, higher lows, and we could eventually be getting even higher. However, right now, very strong monthly bearish RSI divergence, although we had back here a bearish RSI divergence on the weekly frame, weekly bearish RSI divergence. We had here one as well, but you can see we are having one here. On the monthly scale, I haven't seen that if we had a bearish RSI. Probably, maybe we had. Let's see about here. No, we didn't, right? You can see that we didn't have a monthly bearish RSI, but right now we are having one. So therefore, I do believe that Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, those that are actually into Ethereum against Bitcoin, it will go higher. Ethereum against USDT will be going higher. Ethereum against Bitcoin will be going lower. Okay, here I am. And Ethereum against USDT will be going higher, mainly because Bitcoin will pump Ethereum upwards. Okay, and therefore it will drag Ethereum all the way higher. All right, so therefore we are going to see Bitcoin pumping up and Ethereum the same rate here because of Bitcoin's pump and not because that Ethereum is strong against Bitcoin chart. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.